Good morning. I am Dr. T.R. Ganeshava, Professor ECE. Now we are discussing about the classification of different type of signal. Next we are discuss about ramp signal. Ramp signal, it is defined as x of n equal to n for n greater than or equal to 0, 0 for n is less than 0. That is called ramp signal, unit ramp signal. 0, you put 0, 0. You put 1, 1. N you put 2, 2. That's all. That is gradually is varying. That is called a ramp signal. It is also unit. This is called unit ramp signal. This is called ramp signal because A is there. A into N. So you put 0, 0. 1 means what is the value? A you put any value. 1 is 1, 1, 2 means 2A, 3 means 3A, and etc. You put any value. A is considered as any number of value. A is our integer, either 1, 2, 3, etc. This is called a exponential signal. Next one is called parabolic signal. Parabolic signal is defined as x of n equal to a into n squared by 2. A into n squared by 2 for n is greater than or equal to 0. 0 for n is less than 0. This is called a parabolic signal. For different value of substitute the value, you got the parabola. This is curve is called a parabolic signal.